I'd like to take a few minutes to explain our resources file, which is one of our administration files. You don't use it normally, but it's being used all the time behind the scenes. But you can get in there and actually put graphics in it if you like. It's for graphic resources. Down here, we're on the home base file. And, excuse me, at the bottom of the main files, there's a button called resources. Go ahead and click that, and that'll take you over to our resources file. You see it says RSRC, standing for resources. So this is where this is a container field that holds graphics, music, video. It's not where we our priority for our video or audio. We have another way that we'll explain in the versions tutorial as the best way to link your audio files and your video files. But this is great for keeping graphics, especially that are used throughout the system. For example, here's the letter logo 1, which is for company number 1, and there's a letter logo number 2, and there's different ones in here. But any graphic you want to use within the system could be stored here in this container field. There's also a field if you want to type some keywords so that you can always find it. There's many records in this file where we put all our buttons. This is just an explanation detail field that explains what this is and how you might use it in some cases. So you can read that when necessary. This is just a placeholder logo, for example. We hope you put your own logo in here. It could be as big as you need to. And then you can resize it on the document screens inside Songtracker. That will appear on your letterhead and things that you send out of the document center. It's very, very valuable. But anyway, I wanted to show you, like for example, some of the buttons. If I type in BTN for button, you see there's our buttons. I could click through them, and here they are. Various buttons that we use. You'll notice that they're up here in the system. So we add, via script, we add the actual text to the button. That way we can control it. But you could add your own graphics if you wish. If you want to create a custom button, you could. And I think there's a blank one in there where you could put your own photo in there if you wish to create your own. Now we grade out some that so it grays it out when you click on it. But okay, so basically that gives you the information. Now here, I believe this is the name. Yeah, this is the actual name that goes on the button. So we bring that in via script or relationship so that it appears underneath the button without hard copying it. It's very cool. Okay, that's pretty much it for this field. There's a long list that gives you a list of all of them that you can scroll through and see them if you wish. This is not something normally you come to, but you'll use it from time to time. All right. Now, this will also be used as your second choice for if you want to put two audio files on the same record in the versions file. You can also link one in here. We used to use this to store audio files, this file, but now we recommend a new way where you actually just link the file on your hard drive, and then whenever you look at it, you can play it, and it'll play it from that hard drive. And in that way, your files don't get quite as big, and it's a better way to go. So we'll explain that storage in the versions tutorial. All right. Hope that's helpful. Thanks a lot.